Hi, this is Herb, and today I'm going to show you. Okay, so I bolted the muffler on, which was these two bolts up here, these two here, these two here, and one right there, one right there, and then there's this clamp right here, and there's a clamp on the other side. And the muffler's back on. Alright, now I'm going to put the fuel line through, back of the tin, right there. Next it needs okay, this one's like running up here. This one is the oil light, and this is the ignition switch. Put these on. So this one's number 1, this is 2, 3, 4. Alright, so you can see on the tin here, it says 4 right there. I don't know if you can read that or not. Yeah, it says 4 right there. So 3's in the back here. And then on the other side, number 1's back here. The other ones are in the back. Number 2's up here. Or cylinder number 2. So if you pull on this thing, you start number 1 over here. And pull on this thing, you can kind of see the. Let's see. Pull on this one here. You can see it moving. So that's number 1. Plug that into the cylinder over here. Wherever it is. Yeah, that green wire, which is like right here, I turned it into red wire, and it goes down, and it's not supposed to touch that thing, so yeah, gotta like fuse it through this thing, or so it doesn't touch anything, and then it hooks up to this oil sensor switch right here. And 4. Okay, after putting this thing back on by just doing the opposite of before and just putting the bolts back in right here, right there and there, and all over the place. Then you put this thing on, you gotta push this down, this trim piece down. There, it's on there. And the apron's on. And that's pretty much it. And the motor's back in. It needs this light right here, and this one right here found. And I'm going to put the rest of the bolts in the engine compartment, which is like there, 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 and there, and there. No big deal. Otherwise, I got the wires on, most of the wiring together. The only thing that's missing is the alternator, and I still got to do an alternator conversion on this van. So I'll get to that later on. Thanks.